So we've unboxed this ReMarkable Paper Pro Move, which I just found about it recently, and I've been thinking of purchasing ReMarkable for a long time now. I think this is marketed to be more portable than its older brothers, which is the ReMarkable Paper Pro, I believe. So let's try to turn that on. It says here to hold the power button to get started. So this is the power button. ReMarkable is starting, just like so. And I also have here the pencil. I'm not sure what they call it, but it's kind of the latest generation pencil. So yeah, anyways, so there's that. We go next. Your marker is charging. Okay, I haven't really used like electronic inks before. I do have an experience with Kindle. We do have a Kindle here at home, but I haven't really used that. So this is kind of my first time really to kind of like hands-on experience. So let's just see. Did you see that? That's what a digital paper screen refresh looks like. This is normal and keeps your display looking clean and sharp. Okay, refresh again, refresh again. Okay, I think the screen refresh really, like, you know, it's not that pleasing to the eyes. We are not at that point of the technology yet when it comes to e-inks, from what I understand. You know, when you use a lot of colors in there, so it really struggles with that. But let's just see. I'll just have to set this up, connect to the Wi-Fi and all this stuff, then I think we should be good to go. And before I forget, I also bundled the ReMarkable Paper Pro Move with this book folio, which is, this is the cheapest option there is that you can bundle up with this gadget. And I think there is a leather version as well, but this is the cheapest one that I could get, you know. Okay, if I remember it correctly, if you purchase the gadget from the ReMarkable website, not only you'll have that 50-day guarantee, and if you don't like it, you return it, you'll get a full refund within a 50-day period. You also have access, like 50-day access to the Connect subscription-based model to fully maximize the use case of your gadget. So I think it is wise to purchase the ReMarkable directly from the website because you have the perks that I think you don't get to enjoy if you buy it from Best Buy or Amazon, for example. I'm not entirely sure, but it is based on what I understand. And yeah, I bought all of this from their official website just so if I don't like it, I can just send it their way and I get a full refund for it. Because to tell you honestly, this is not cheap. So I think that sums up our video for now. I guess I'll have to, you know, spend more time with the gadget itself, explore what it can do, and if it's really useful for my use case, like for work and all that stuff. But yeah, and let's see if I get to keep this or I'll send it their way and get a full refund for it. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you on the next video, if I can even make one. Bye.